The United States has several time zones, and each one is an hour different from the next. Knowing these time zones is important for planning interviews, meetings, and keeping track of deadlines. First, we have the Eastern Time Zone, or ET, which covers cities like New York, Washington DC, and Atlanta. Eastern Time is 9 hours and 30 minutes behind Indian Standard Time. For example, if it's 9 a.m. in New York, it's 6:30 p.m. the same day in India. Next is the Central Time Zone, or CT, which includes cities like Chicago, Dallas, and Houston. Central Time is 10 hours and 30 minutes behind IST. So, when it's 9 a.m. in Chicago, it's 7:30 p.m. the same day in India. Moving west, we have the Mountain Time Zone, or MT, covering cities like Denver, Phoenix, and Salt Lake City. Mountain Time is 11 hours and 30 minutes behind IST. For instance, if it's 9 a.m. in Denver, it's 8:30 p.m. the same day in India. Further west, we reach the Pacific Time Zone, or PT, which includes major cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Seattle. Pacific Time is 12 hours and 30 minutes behind IST. For example, if it's 9 a.m. in Los Angeles, it's 9:30 p.m. the same day in India. Up north, we have the Alaska Time Zone, or AKT, covering most of Alaska. Alaska time is 13 hours and 30 minutes behind IST. So, if it's 9 a.m. in Anchorage, Alaska, it's 10:30 p.m. the same day in India. Finally, we have the Hawaii Aleutian Time Zone, or HAT, which includes the Hawaiian Islands. Hawaii Aleutian Time is 15 hours and 30 minutes behind IST. For example, if it's 9 a.m. in Honolulu, it's 12:30 a.m. the next day in India. In summary, the United States has 6 main time zones: Eastern, Central, Mountain, Pacific, Alaska, and Hawaii Aleutian. Each time zone is 1 hour different from the next, and the Eastern time zone is the most common for business. To make managing these time zones easier, you can add them directly to the clock app on your iOS or Android device. This allows you to quickly check the time in different parts of the US right from your phone, ensuring you stay on top of your schedule. Thank you for watching this guide on US time zones and their comparison with Indian Standard Time, brought to you by Techsara. We hope this helps you navigate time differences and manage your work more efficiently.